Hello, everyone. This is Troy Shear with Marketing Intel Solutions. And today we are talking real quickly here with Dan Trinidad. Dan is the founder and CEO of Benchmark Automotive Data. Dan and I have gotten to know each other a lot over the last 5 or 6 years, and I really like what they're doing. So, Dan, with the workshop you got coming up on October 12th, obviously we're calling it's Benchmark. Tell us a little bit about what you're going to share about benchmarks within the automotive dealership and why they're important, not just marketing and sales.
Troy, I appreciate the question, and it's a really important question to ask. What we've learned over the years consulting dealerships is the starting point for understanding data and success is establishing benchmarks. And that's the number one thing we start any of our clients off with is how to establish and set benchmarks, not only for marketing, which most dealerships focus on, but also for inventory management and inventory retailing, lead handling, and their sales team. Not just who's doing well, who's not, but the entire sales chain when a consumer walks into the dealership all the way through the sales process. And it's so important because if you don't know where your starting point is at and what your goal is, you really don't know how to get there. I think establishing the benchmark and what they're going to learn in the workshop is why it's so pivotal as your initial starting point and how to proceed, and how easy it is to start understanding and reading through the data there on that.
Well, and I think it's great. And that's why I'm really pushing folks to attend this workshop, because I've been lucky enough to get some behind the scenes with you and get to understand this. And I am completely supportive of what's got to be. I mean, whether it's an automotive dealership or anything else, it's those processes, setting benchmarks and making sure everything is working together. So I think this is going to be a great workshop. People really need to attend. And I know you've got a special incentive for folks who are attending, correct? If they stay through the end of the workshop?
Absolutely. If you stay to the end of the workshop, we'll make it worth your while. I don't want to give away, what it is right now, but trust me, no one will be.
It's worth it. I know what it is, so I can say it's definitely worth it. So, folks, make sure you get registered. Where there'll be a link with this video so that you can register for it. Going to be again Thursday, October 12th at 3 p.m. Central Time. Just for you folks to know, there, right there, you can't miss it. So, looking forward to seeing you there. Dan, I appreciate your time, and we'll do a few more of these before the workshop so that we can tell a bit more about what's going to be happening. Appreciate it.
Thank you.